Yes, speak my mind, people. Welcome back to part 2. So let's continue it right here. So just remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit that thumbs up. Please remember to watch the ads. And remember the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go over there and subscribe. Give me a subscription. The link will into the description and I will pin it in the comment section. Life is a Mission TV. Alright, people. Back to the saga, you know. Now it's with part 2.
Shot him 2 blood clot, bam, 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 and shot him up. Knock out every blood clot, 32 or 42 or 62 to your 10 pussy clot head. I'm making tap call my name. Anyone I wanna like.
Marcia, may I tell you something? You see, if me talk like how you talk, remember it will come true. Because some me stay. So me not bother chat things me not go do. But mind where you wish. You understand? Mind what you wish. You understand? Mind what you wish. I mean, not go no further because I don't want you to say me a threaten you. But remember, this is a threat where you are giving me, you know. You understand? And me know the do's and the don'ts. Me not come in a phone come say me know this and me know this in high places. But me can't tell you this, Marcia. Me can report this as a threat. Me report this to a threat, me know exactly where to go and how to go about it. And when me report this as a threat, me can tell you. Coming to Jamaica, they might just wait for you at the airport. Yeah, man, coming to, you see that Reading something there? They might just wait for you out at the airport. Well, probably through your woman, they might not put no cuff on you. Yeah, man. Alright? Because we don't understand. It is public knowledge that are people like you and others who have beat down Jamaica about crime and violence, or support crime and violence. Because only they are foreign, I pay people money a yard for do people things, for simple things. Simple things, you know, send money come cause to the man them down here hungry as well. You have them in, say them hungry, you know. When you go up on the phone and you call, yeah, you know, say me have one little boy there. Every minute him see me, I call up my name. You know, say me have one little boy, every time him see me like a grand pitney, he might trouble my grand pitney. Me I send $150 US come give and you just oh no, a harvest crime. Because the little boy them frightened for US dollars. Because to them have the same mentality like you. Free mentality. So anyway, easy, them forget the money. Them are going to take it. But Marcia, me I tell you again, me no saw soap. Me no saw soap. Alright? Continue.
Wanna like me, down there. Anyone I know Big Dan and Big Man out the road who watch sister.
Me I done myself.
I wanna see that boy there. We call how they call?
We don't understand. Dan ship on like one time. When you have done 1 or 2 man around one community. Now a man run him yard only. Every man are done. Cause you see that something here? And like back in the 80s, 70s, when one man control all of them. And you have to go to him for borrow one. And you have to go to him for say, boy, I'm going to do this and I'm going to mash your works there. It there shop like rice and flour. Every man have one. The youngest boy have one. So every man are done. So put that in the back of your head. Because you left Jamaica all along. You want to come here when you feel like, when you have a little credit card free up, you can buy a ticket and come here and come go on like your hype. And I'll be a credit and free in this year live off.
Call him. I don't even want to give me name. I want to know. Go up on YouTube and I'll see him.
Me don't need you to call my name.
Shot him 2 blood clot box. Me there. And make sure say 2 teeth fly out there.
Because you're a supporter, them now support you.
And that's nothing to do.
Because the amount of people that on your live where you say you entertain and you buy all 100 sheet and it stay upon you for all 4, 5, 6 months and can't sell Marcia. That you have to come and dust them off, amount of dirt to take them up. The amount of roach to take up your place because the one little place where you're in. Me and you talk about you go buy a new TV. It don't make sense. You're buying a new TV, you know. Save the money for rent somewhere bigger. Because you use your house, your bedroom for storeroom. You use it for your dining room. You use it for your cat room. You use it for everything, Marcia. So save the money for rent a bigger space. You understand? You can't turn in your house, Marcia. Every time you turn, you turn over something, Marcia. Every time you turn, you buck up on something, Marcia. Marcia is a 10 by 10 room you live in, Marcia. And a 10 by 10 room at Jamaica is a very small room. For a little one man. Have a little one bed and two little piece of furniture. For a big deal, you shouldn't live in a 10 by 10. Who tell if it's not all a 10 by 8 you live in a? But I give you the privilege says a 10 by 10, all because me can say you have a bed in there. You pace one sitting to the wall with your TV. I don't know if a what not chestnut, not a pot, not that. We do a little TV pan it with all kind of China made decoration pan it. We're outdated. Not no way indated, you know. Everything is outdated. You have all kind of fake camouflage China wear sitting upon top of Rasclete wall, and you come at talk about China lipstick and China makeup and China this. And you shop nowhere but China shop. Okay.
I will tap coming name out and send him bomb clock over public hospital. And then he will tap coming name out. And that me hear me tell you now. Me Marcia, you don't like me.
Nobody don't like you, Marcia, man. What you have for nobody like?
Fly out two blood clot teeth to that.
Marcia, all if me blind and you come in front of me, you can't turn me on. Because the way you're ugly, the way you're in shape, the way your head look like Easter egg. It'll come like me know you for years, because remember my people. You see blind people, before them blind, if them not born blind and them live in a community, them can walk the whole community after them blind. I either wonder how them do it. Because them living in the community for a long while, so them know. So you see, Almasa now, if me even know Master before that happened, God forbid, before that happened, I see her in front of me, I would even look for Master with a long stick. Master, Father God tell me, say when time I go have sex, the only thing me supposed to lift up is my little 7-inch. Because I now come tell you say I have 9 and 10 and 12. Because I no phone want 10 inch and 9 inch and 10 inch. I too insecure. You understand? Too insecure on the crutches. So I don't want 9 and 12. I don't want something to full it up. So the man no go away with no excuse. And I you that because you love come talk about size. Well, a 7 me have. And me tell this doctor say me must lift up nothing heavier than my little 7-inch when me have. When having sex. So if you go lift up your 2 double chapalin where you have a cover down your front like you're in a sandstorm. You understand? Or some storm a come so you're batten down. Me not have no time for lift up them the double belly the way you have, Marcia. Me not have no time for move them the wrinkles they betwixt your foot, Marcia. Some would have never look upon you. So you know have to say you don't want me, because me would have never look upon you. Me love big woman, but my big woman them have to look sexy. I mean I talk about no put on sexy. Me I talk about just wake up and look sexy, because me not talk to young girl. As a matter of fact, me don't have luck with young girl. Because me see a young girl 25 and over. My woman them are normally 30 and up. And 50 odd. If me even see a little young girl 25 or 20 little bit. And me even try to find that me and her can't mesh. Because one probably my style enough for them style. Them want man who are about and mingle. Them want one who are share one drink a sitting what we call special. And them sip it all day. Them man that them want. So when me I look woman, a big woman, me look, but now you, I would have never look upon you, because if I not close makeup and your fish gogglers and your little cheap wig them where you buy and put on your little turtle wig them, just like how your friend Tina buy one little turtle wig, the people them say them see her down at Mount Vernon down at the rotted Chinese store, I buy the wig the morning. And she come in her phone and mag like she have an expensive wig. But me didn't know the wig not expensive, because me say when you look at so the wig short a 2 layer right here, so you can see that the stocking cap or the skull. So when you come in a phone and go on like you're cockatoo and you're hype, Master, we know you're not hype. You're the cheapest. Okay, so now come go on like you hype your money and you're nothing, you know, nothing at all. When you got tired, sometimes you're strained for shit that even that you not have in you. Because you not eat right. When you do come on your phone with a plate of food and you have 2 little broccoli, you go on like say, eating 2 little broccoli and 2 little this and a piece of fish. One day for 2 weeks. That do anything for your body. That day will enter your bloodstream. You coming like some man when them go have sex, them drink how much Guinness and eat 2 doctor fish. And the day them go have sex, and when them go have sex, them mind get the better of them. Because it might work out because the mindset where them have going into it. But them sweets are the 2 doctor fish and the dragon where them go drink. Especially on Friday when them get paid. And them mind fool them. So unlike you, your mind a tell you say you're a big deal, but it's not big deal. Your mind a tell you say you're a hot girl, but you're not hot. You only use the cheap clothes them, yes, and put yourself together. I love that. I not no problem. I like that. I not gonna tell you no. But taking off your wig out of makeup and just in a probably one little piece of yard clothes. There's nobody you hard for look pan. Me see you do that live here what you do with me. And you're in your bed. And you have to draw for the fish gogglers. Remember, it's not like a reading glass or a test glass you draw for, you know. You have to draw for your gogglers. Because what? It kind of carry off you look until you know you have the cockeye and you don't want to show up the cockeye in the phone. Yeah, you have to wear the gogglers. In your bed, you're there do the live night. And you put on darkers. And you're a Ray Charles sister, Ray Charles mother. You know, sister, you're a clown. You can't come for me and talk to me, master. You're a big old clown, man. And that's why everybody have your name all over social media. Because you come make yourself a clown and show people say you are a clown. So when the people them say you're a clown out yourself, and they are all bloggers, so every blogger want content. No matter who you is or what, every blogger want content. See, you know, your friend tell you about the formula. So it coming like you find a different formula now. Because you start say you got jump on this page, that the page. You got Instagram, Pinstagram, you got TikTok, WikTok, TikTok. And you got to take people content and come. Because what? You tell yourself so that is what everybody are doing, make money. So you are going to do it. So it all boils down to the people them who make money. You're just jealous over the whole thing because them are make money. But if you were a big deal, you would have known what to do to make money. You would have known how to market yourself. You would have known how to market your page. You would not have to sit down after how much years that me come 1 month, 1 year and 5 months now and go around you. You understand? And I make more than you. And you're going to criticize my subscription. Let me have 4,000 ad you just reach. How long you're a part of YouTube? I mean, you actually have the same 4,000 we have. So why you come and talk that? You know, say he's a dunce. And that me try to show you say he's a circus clown. Because you talk like you have 120,000 or you get a silver plaque already. Me never know say you get to 100. Start, oh, sorry, YouTube have one new so people, YouTube have a new thing. Then you get gold plaque again. The silver. So it's when you get the silver, you start over. So it's all about how much silver plaque you can get now, people. So now bear in mind when you reach 100, you're not going to get the silver plaque and you're not going to start over. Yeah, no gold plaque now there again. Come almost that. I start you get your silver plaque already and you start over and you just reach 4,000. But if me a big lady like you and me start over, me suppose say I look for 100 again. Me suppose to buy even 50 ad now. So look at you.
All the nerve, you know. I call out my full name to you know. Have all the nerve I call out my full name.
Are you alone here, Master Campbell? Me sure know when me go in a Google and Google Master Campbell, me see Wally pop up. And when you look down at the bottom, you see more or you see all. And you see Master Campbell just go down the line. So I never know say you alone here, Master Campbell. So go to your lawyer if you come sue me. Because are you alone here, Master Campbell? You understand? Tell us so now all shit house and idiot, you know. You just go on like you don't know it all, you don't know crap. You understand? Are you alone near Master Campbell? Okay. Okay, money. I never know you alone near Master Campbell. Well, go back again. If you even go up on Facebook and you go and type in Master Campbell, there's a lot of Master Campbell come up. Where you see the same thing, see more or see all. But then if I somebody last name that, see all or see more. But I want thing, me know that me see, how when me click on it, me see Master Campbell going right down the road. So come with your liar, come sue, cause you me attack. There's many Master Campbell.
Before you go 10 to you look a girl pitney, with him out a petty file with that Jamaica. Before you go sit down and watch your blood clot data, you come up here and watch my...
I don't interphone about pitney, be careful. Be careful. You understand? Because this is it, you don't know nothing about me. You don't even know if me have pitney. It's all because you see me coming at the phone and me do that, it's the little granny skit with me and say, and granny say, boy, you two, me two granddaughter, them me defend her. And that you run with you know. So you say you're a clowny. What if me a board man? What if me a fish as what you want to say? What if me a mama man as what you want to say? What if me a gelding? Everything on the ear and a phone on the run with it. Without no evidence and proof. And when people run with evidence for uno, what can be proven, uno have big problem with it. You understand? Because I uno alone for tear down people. You tear down Cora, you tear down Spice, you tear down Shelly and Fraser what there. Every day you try tear down Dana and Dana. Everybody just elevate left you. You come, you tear down Chrissy, you tear down everybody. Me soon start here, you tear down Britannia. Just give you a little time for you start tear down Britannia. Because see you go up on Julie Man go page you tear her down. You try tear her down. You try tear down the people them. You understand? That's all you go around and do.
United States of America when we get everything free. Eh? We're important.
So
I
tell
get
you
it
free
free. And you
mentality.
tell me now, say, you don't, if you got a doctor right now, you have to pay how much money. You not even have the money to go up a UC. You have to
independent, man.
Public, you have to wait too much hours. I don't wait till I got a doctor.
Private
I
doctor
only
me
wait
go,
like
man.
about 20 minutes. Sometimes
I'm in a sicky.
Sometimes I just wait like...
Me no sicky. A private doctor me go. You understand? And the only thing me got a doctor go do, because I reach certain age, me go check up. And me check up like 3 times a year. Me hear you talk about dentist and you go dentist. 6 months now, 6 months now. Me no wait till 6 months to go a dentist. 3 times a year me go a dentist. 3 times, if I... 1 day before me date or 2 days, you my dentist a call me. Mr. Remember you have your date due. 3 times a year. I mean, I want to paparazing boy as me say, but what? I'm full of ambition. And I do the things I'm working for do. To suit myself and take care of myself. You understand? But if you see me on the road, you don't know me. Me come turn upside of you, you don't know me. Because I have to dress up and titivate up. To be who me is and be myself. And feel good in myself. But I don't have to do that. You see me out the road and want a piece of dirty slippers. You see me out the road and want tear off foot pants and dirty ganzi. But you can't size up to me. You understand? Me can't tell you this. My bracelet with my nameplate on it. You don't have nothing single in your category value more than it. Nothing. Kakai. My bracelet with my name. Me not about chaparita. Bracelet. Because bracelet is different from chaparita. Bracelet will carry nameplate. Chaparita just want like a piece of chain to put you on your hand and lock. My bracelet with my nameplate. White and silver gold. My nameplate on the top. You don't have nothing single in your catalog. Value more than that. And probably if you put everything together, you might then near. Might. Because you have so much cheap things. So much China wear things. When I really have no value. So it's going to take a while. You even get there, Marcia.
Buy them pudding and them cake. And then come out and act. And get them bomber clap.
A 5, somebody me call in the video, you know, where she a try come at me at final. And basically, it's almost one somebody she depend right through. She barely going to tell you about Chrissy in the video.
Money. So how is it that they're more progressive than me?
Of course.
They make the only thing them do is make a little bit more money than me. They're more blood clot progressive than me. And for them to look better than me.
You don't know the meaning of progressive, that's why you say that, man.
Then I wish some of them have money and look like a blood clot riffraff. Some of them have to look, some of them...
Having money, look... That's the problem with Uno. And that's why you don't have nothing. Because you feel like having money and having things, you have to be this bright Barbie doll. You have to be living this lavish lifestyle. And that's your problem. And that's why you don't have nothing. The richest man, when you see me now, he can wash out jeans. He wear it all whole week. All whole week, he wear it one crepe a tear off him foot. When the time comes for him put on clothes, if he go against him friend them, and if he go doing business and represent, he does that. Him not get up every day like you, and dress up for nothing at all. And that's why you don't have nothing, because you feel like having money, you have to dress up and titivate up.
Them have to dress up and look like me to follow me. So you tell me now, they now who them there's somebody there. You could have come here? Eh? All of them we are talking about, some talk about, you know, where the money come from? Eh? The little cheap China makeup them? The little cheap lipstick them? Where we could have put little...
You see it? She a cost China lipstick, China makeup. And at the same China sheet and China curtain and China this and China that she a sell. But here still she not reach nowhere. So when she say this woman is a clown, she's a claffy, she's every arty thing. And that's why people have to live on you, so because you're a fool. You understand what I say? How can you a cuss now? Because of Chrissy this she a talk about, you know, makeup and you know. You understand? But at the same China things them you a sell, but you can't reach somewhere. But here still, Chrissy has reached somewhere that she can buy a brand new house. You understand what I say? Social media pay Chrissy too. And social media, you in that long time and you not make no gains. So you look into yourself and say something wrong with you and a fool and she attack. Everybody have to make them money somewhere. It means have to wash a car. Had there's some my talent there if you wash a car if you make money, and so it go. If you clean your tile if you make money, and there's it there. If you sweep up your yard, chop out your yard, clean your house, everybody have to do something to make money. Everybody can be at the same level. You don't want to know you make money and survive. Unlike you, we sit down, criticize and watch other people where make money and you now make a dime. More than sit there with your free mentality, sitting in America for mine you. Right now, you already prepare for your American arms house, you know. Because you almost said that clear upon your life already. You prepare for your American arms house. Because if anything for do you right now, your son don't know if he put you. Me never ever yet see you visit your sister one day. Your sister them you talk about one day yet and you and them have a friendly conversation and whatsoever. So all your sister them you talk about gonna reject you. So you don't have nowhere to go. More than the land of opportunity, Mary Maca, we treat its citizens, whether you're born there or you come get citizen there, with all these free mentality, people around America will sit down and wait for the freeness. You understand? American Arms House. And a day you go, Kakai.
Little piece now, little Vaseline, the little wig them with them buy, and little here, and put a little wig and put little glue and sew it on. Then I blood clot, make you do that too. Make you go in the kitchen, go whip up 2 bomber clot, put in a cake. Glad girl the way I compare me to can make pudding and cake like my sister and my family. From where I see cocoa walk.
Your sister them despise you, man. I will never see her take a picture with them and say, my sister this.
Them have a problem, that's why they go through walking across the street and tribulation. So why would I go through, why would you compare me to those people? Then me want somebody to my man give me gun all time. That's what I mean.
If Julie man go through depression and come through depression, one, she's not the first. But this is show you how much the person she is today. You not go through no depression, you not go through no problem, you not go through nothing. And you're a menace to America. You're a menace to America, the portion of American taxpayers. Who you sit down every day and come on phone. Come talk it bold. About all your free mentality things you want, the things in the free mentality you have and all these freeness that you get. Me know it pain the heart of enough of these taxpayers who have to work hard. If you see a strong hearty woman the barn, the only thing you do is barn the farm. You understand? You born the farm. You understand? But you're strong and hearty. Where you could have out there work same way. But you choose not to. And you take advantage of the American system. And because of that, you criticize Jamaica every day and talk about third world country. Because you can't get that freeness there, so.
You come and talk about, oh, you look, you see everybody. You see it stroll and phone, and you see everybody. She come and talk about and boast the amount of charity work she do, and you don't see no evidence. Go show some blood clot rum in your eye. Or some blood clot has sit and go up on my page, go stroll, and go look for those blood clots.
You know, say, it's better if you choose some rum in a year, yeah? I'm not going to tell you if you throw the acid, because they might not do what you want for it, might do worse. But throw the rum in your eye, you know? And when you throw the rum in your eye, you just rub it. Rub it and rub it, and when you rub it, look in one glass and see if your eye set back. So probably you more need the rum. Look for my eye then. All me want to do is sleep, because me I do this video and I should have sleep already. That's the life I live. From 8 o'clock I come back off of the road by carrying my kids to school. I should have sleep already. But I decide to do this video, yeah, before I go back to sleep. And that's why my eye red so. Because I'm in a drop of sleep till hours a night. Because I sleep right through the day. You can't afford to live that life, Marcia. And this is not no that me I make $1. This is a long time, because I say I train myself like a soldier. So you say when the time come, I know say I can't eat tin mackerel. I get up every day and eat oxtail, and when time come and I can't eat it, and if I eat a tin of mackerel to save my life and full my belly, it's like it's cornful to eat. I want to defecate and detect me, do it right this up on the sidewalk. No shame then in my game. Unlike Uno, we have to do things to please the public. Do things to make it look like Uno is all this and Uno is all that. And Uno a carbon copy.
Go look for them. Go look for them. You see me, I'll go a funeral. We raping Pitney a yard. Me left and go to Jamaica and go a funeral. And me go in a church, go speak.
Yeah.
We speak.
You do all that, you know, Master, because from back then you see, if you show you how long you seek relevancy. You see how long you seek relevancy? And no, nobody no know about you. And no, nobody no know you. Just a small circle of YouTube and social, not even YouTube, social media and all, Facebook. And one of the main things that people might take on to you with is because of the bad word. But nobody no know you. Because if you do all these things from how long, I seek relevancy. I left America to come here, come join all kind of march and all kind of sitting and go a funeral, the people get rape or you might they even know, but just seek relevancy and you go in a church, go give speech. For show you how long you seek relevancy and can't get it.
Full of stress. Full of stress. You want to see me lock off and make more money. That's the only thing I want. And to surrender fully to the Lord. Take me lock off Jesus. You lock off nothing. That's the only thing I lock off. Jesus. Well, as I got dentist, I went to dentist 6 months ago. Maybe next 6 months, I go and brush my teeth and get my deep clean every.
And every 3 months, I go to a dentist. Every 3 months. Sometimes 4. And if I wait till 4, if I wait till 4, the dentist call me down from now till the morning. A 2 times a year, you go, a 3 me go. Look here. Look.
I give him no knowings for the page. Only know how me attack.
Knowings? Your knowings can't stay, Marcia. Because you don't have none yourself.
Wash the woman behind up Jamaica. If call up her name in a heavy video with my name. Saying can get a little like and share.
When you talk about body wash, keep that to yourself, you know, Marcia. Because me hear you come on phone and cuss down about the longing out of tongue business. And one day I see you on one video. And me know, despite when Dana do that something, I really like it because the stigma where we have a Jamaica and thing, when she long out her tongue and go on. You understand? But who is me to tell her don't do it? I fear her tongue, I fear her mouth. She her own big man. But you always a criticize it and come for your life, come talk about it. And what day I see me never want to do it, I go show them people. See her mouth, yeah, see her big dirty mouth, yeah, and see her tongue, yeah, and she depend. And she wheel it. This is a different signal she has sent than what Dana would have sent. Dana would have sent a signal like she has a Lord, me happy. But she has show you because she in want something where it's like you see the whole of you so. And music are playing in the background, so you know so it's all about love making. If you don't go up on our page, you know, we see it. And me I tell you, man, I say what all when you me say boy, I love them because something there when woman do them something there. But me I tell you, you never turn me on. If me did see another woman even 60 at ear hole I do that, Marcia, me kin catch a fire, goose pimples, take me up. But with you did I do it, I know it no move me. You want to see her with her tongue. And as she come on her life and discriminate Dan about doing that tongue something there. And she come on social media and do it for sure you. So she cuss people about everything what them do. And then she do it. But it's like when people do it, she has a Lord God, that's something I could have do it. But two people do it before her, she come and she cuss you out and then she come back come do the same thing.
That is all it is. You're nobody.
Anyway, Marcia, you don't have no P-U-S-S-Y. A Ussy you have. H-U-S-S-Y. Ussy. And I must say that's why too you don't have no P-U-S-S-Y. A Ussy you have. H-U-S-S-Y. That's the reason why no man not stay with you. And that's the reason why when you're married, the man did run left you. You understand? Because the man couldn't probably find no bottom in a year Ussy. So him have to go. And probably him never have no 10 and no 12 if full up your Ussy. Your H-U-S-S-Y, not your P-U-S-S-Y, because you don't carry that. So when you come talk about me want you and me and watch you. No. No make nobody hear you say that. There is so much sweeter old woman out there in her age. Because me old and you know, man, say, you just a turn 50. Me a 50 plus long time. And when I say plus, I don't want to name out my age. You understand? And look for me, Marcia. Look for me good. Look. Look. Look for me, Marcia. Jesus Christ. But me I tell you. I look like any 20-year-old. You want look for my finger them. Look there. Look there. Look there. Look there. Look for my hand. Look for my age. Look for my hand. Look there. Look there. Look there. Look there. You want to see all me toe them, Marcia. You say, no, son, a 50-year-old man look so. Marcia. You can't size up with me. You can't body shame me. Look for my neck. Look for my neck. Me sit up now. Look for my neck. Me sit up. When me na me carry, I go so. My unk down so. My neck na must look so. You have to have a hook neck and shrink and way. With your egg-shaped head. Your Easter-shaped egg head. Your two belly, Marcia. You can't come body shame nobody. You don't have so much fault. I don't love body shame people. You can't body shame me. Me not have no fault. None at all. And anyone me did have, me thank God. Because for him give me life, anything he want give me behind that I saw. Unlike you, where the man give you life, him give you everything. And him give you bonus, the man give you ambition. And you swap ambition for free mentality. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Remember to watch the ads. And remember, the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Go give it a subscription. Thanks for watching again. Love on all subscribers.